I am dead. This looks like a decoration, but it's not. It's actually an air fryer. How freaking cute is this? Oh my gosh. This is freaking gorgeous. I can leave this on top of my countertop and it's actually gonna look cute. So I'm trying to do away with everything white in my kitchen. Seriously, so excited about this. It's so unique and different. And then up here you have a digital display with 8 different presets. I love the silver details. And then this is a non-stick basket. Guys, if you like things that are unique and different and something you can leave on your countertop without it looking trashy, this is absolutely perfect and it would make a wonderful wedding gift as well.